This is Harry Vocal, sound of Australia, the voice off the street. The G20 Climate Summit. Our fearless leader, Scott Morrison, has gone off and this time it seems sold us out to this bullshit climate change argument. Australia apparently is 1% of all emissions throughout the world, and yet off he goes saying net zero by 2050, which is an impossibility. And meanwhile, all the other countries who are the biggest polluters in the world didn't even have the decency to front up. And then we have people like Prince Charles talking down to our Prime Minister. Well, who gives a shit? But meanwhile, on this cut the emissions target, 400 odd private jets with the rich and famous and the Greta Thunbergs of the world flew in to bloody Glasgow. It's a crock of shit, and the rich get richer, and you get the picture as they all sell us out. It's a fucking joke. When we get a Prime Minister that finally stands up and tells these other bastards who are doing nothing to put it where the sun doesn't shine and start telling the truth, when the science isn't even in on this, remember, that Prime Minister will be in power forever. But until then, they're all full of shit. This is Harry Vocal.